Yeah, what's up guys? We got this 2021 CRF 450 RX in the Champion Adventures possession. We're super stoked to have this bike. We're going to show you how-tos on pretty much everything I can think of, down to changing the grips, lubing the air filter, changing the oil, swing arm linkage, steering, all of it. How to put a steering stabilizer on here. We're going to go to Glen Helen today. It's a nice Thursday afternoon. Ride it around, get a feel for the stock bike, and I've obviously done a little bit of testing already, so I kind of know what I like. But yeah, we're going to show you how it's done, so stay tuned. Actually pretty cool. I got this bike from Honda, and it was a test bike for a magazine, and I just rode it exactly pretty much except the 999 handlebars that I prefer on this bike because I already did some testing. Now upon first ride at Glen Helen, the track's real like skatey right now. It's an afternoon day, choppy, slippery. The rear end is very low and fast, and kind of feels like I'm riding on like a pillow top-ish, and then but it'll swap at any time or slide out. And the fork is really stiff, and I think that's what's actually putting a lot of pressure on the rear end. So I came back to the truck and I checked the compression, and it was at 7 clicks out from hard, meaning 7 clicks out. So that is exactly where you don't want to be in valving, and so that's one of the reasons why the bike feels crazy. It was completely off pretty much. So I'm going with 14 clicks out on compression. I'm gonna go 12 on rebound because this is stock valving and it feels a little fast. So we'll see, but I'm gonna check the sag and see where it's at, and go from there. Low speed compression on the shock, 7 clicks out. We're gonna go to 12. The right fork was at 14 clicks out on rebound, and the left fork was at 12 clicks out on rebound. So we're gonna keep them both at 12. Soft. It's a great trail bike, probably. It's an RX. So we're at Glen Helen, and it actually feels pretty good in stock trim, but definitely the rider compartment's still cramped. I haven't put the low and back foot pegs on it like I like. Of course, I'm 6 foot, maybe 5'11" and a half after breaking my back, but I got the lowest handlebars on the bike, and it needs a seat. It's all of a supercross bike. It's all of like getting behind the handlebars is what the chassis feels like. So we'll get the foot pegs low. We need some AHM suspension so to have some more shock hold up. But overall, the valving is pretty good stock for the average guy and making it feel pretty plush. I'd say that they did a pretty good job with the 450 RX 2021. Absolutely plenty power. Stock muffler, trim, it's great. Rolls into corners. Sometimes like I'll find myself a little flat because I like to short shift and not shift as much. But, or maybe because I don't want so much of the hit that the bike has. Sometimes I like find myself feathering the clutch, but it's pretty good. The 5mm low and back. If you're a tall guy on this bike, IMS Core Enduro 5mm low and back. Inside, outside, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can go anywhere you want on this track. bike feel instantly comfortable for me. It's ridiculous. I can open my leg just a little bit more and it just makes the bike feel like it's my size. So if you're square, 6 foot, 6 foot, you need these foot pegs. That is all. Time to go home. I'm smoked tired.
How late are we?
Oh, I didn't check the SRA schedule. Usually they put the old mans first because the track's first. I guess I'm an old man now. This is 30 plus and 40 plus are racing at 8:30. And we're at 7:45. We might make it, but I'm not getting any practice. What's up, guys? We're out here at Glen Helen on a nice Sunday afternoon for SRA, the series that basically built me. Riding the CRF 450 RX, this 2021. This bike was freaking awesome today. I raced the 30 plus class in expert. Got a good jump, actually led the race pretty much all the way till the very end, and Ryan Dudek passed me for the lead. The lappers were really gnarly because the course was pretty short, but overall, I'm pretty stoked because I rode with the arm pump practically the whole moto. So hopefully Dudek races the 4-stroke expert race, so I'll get it this time. Nice cold water. Take off of it. Hopefully it'll like flick off in someone's goggles. in its stock trim. We just put a Henson clutch cover on there for strength and durability. We got some 999 handlebars from Renthal, AME full waffle grips. We're gonna get the suspension done by AHM. Stay tuned for all that stuff. I'm gonna show you videos of all that stuff, but as a recap, the bike is really good. I feel like the chassis is much more balanced than prior years, and if you're 195 pounds like I am, you probably need to go up a spring rate for the 450 RX. If you're under that, you could easily dial in your suspension and be super happy with it. Unless of course you want super factory coatings that AHM provides. So anyways, I'm gonna fill this gap in with foam. I like a little higher seat. Like I said in prior parts of the video, I feel like I'm just a little bit too big for this bike, and but man, it's got horsepower. So I had fun, and can't wait to show you guys more. Leave a comment down in the section below to you know, let me know what you want us to do, like lube the linkage, change foot pegs out, change grips, whatever. Top end, maybe put a nice Pro Circuit exhaust on this thing. Let's hear it.